English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. Oh dear, earn, fantastic. Oh dear. Oh dear is an exclamation. A2 learners usually know oh dear. Oh dear shows surprise or disappointment. Here are some examples. Oh dear, I can't start the engine. Oh dear, she's left her keys in the shop. Oh dear, he has lost his mobile. That's really annoying. Earn. Earn is a verb. A2 learners usually know earn. To earn means to get money by working. Here are some examples. How much do you earn? He earns more than she does. The children do some chores to earn a little pocket money. Fantastic. Fantastic is an adjective. A2 learners usually know fantastic. Fantastic means that something is very good. Here are some examples. You look fantastic. They had a fantastic holiday. She won the top prize. What fantastic luck! Now write some of your own sentences with oh dear, earn and fantastic. Download the free A2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.